So coming to the next question, they have given an two lines standing on the line ST such that making an equal angles PQR equal to PRQ. Therefore, I have taken PQR and PRQ as X children. You have to prove that PQS angle equal to PRT. Okay. Now, first how to begin the sum. First, I will say that the line PQ is standing on the line SR. Hence, these two angles are forming a linear pair. Hence, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Similar way, I will say line PR is standing on the line ST. Hence, the sum of these two angles, that is PRQ and PRT, is 180 degree. So after taking it as x, the linear pair I have written here children, I will write PQS as it is here, but I will take PQR to the other side as PQR is an x, hence I will write as 180 degree minus x. Similar way, coming to the next part, I know angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degree. And here PRQ is again x, hence angle PRT equal to 180 degree minus x. See here, in both the cases RHS is the same. As I said earlier, if RHS are same, then LHS will be equal. Hence I can write now angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Hence the proof. They have asked the same thing in your question. So your next question is like this children. In the given figure, x plus y equal to w plus z. That means x plus y equal to w plus z. Then you have to prove AOB is a straight line. In order to prove AOB as a straight line, according to the converse of axiom 1, that is axiom 2, now you can prove if the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, then AOB is a straight line. That's all. So first for that, how to proceed the sum. So now how to proceed the sum means I will just add all the angles, that is x plus y plus z plus w. As you all know that sum of all angles, that is a complete angle, is 360 degree. Okay children, see here I have written the same. X plus y plus w plus z is 360 degree. Now in our question they have given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So I am going to replace w plus z by x plus y. So can you observe here, they have given in the question. So I have replaced w plus z as x plus y. Now how many x are there children? Now 2x is there. How many y's are there? 2y is there. Now 360 degree on the RHS I will write as it is. 2 I will take common from here. When I take 2 common, what remains inside the bracket? X plus y remains, that equal to 360 degree. Now x plus y I will keep as it is in the LHS, but 2 is in the multiplication, that I will take to the RHS. So 360 degree by 2 cancel. What you will get? 180 degree. Okay, now x plus y is 180 degree. When I have proved x plus y as 180 degree means the line is a straight line by axiom 2. Hence, therefore, AOB is a straight line by axiom 2. So, to prove the sum, you should know what is axiom 1, what is axiom 2, and then what is theorem 1. Everything you should know children. If you write that only, they are going to give the marks. Simply solving doesn't give you any kind of marks. So, your next question is like this children. There is a straight line POQ on which the ray OR stands perpendicularly. Perpendicularly means making the angle 90 degree. Then OS is lying in between OP and OR, and you have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of the angle QOS minus POS. Okay children, we need the angle ROS. So how to proceed the sum means ROS first time I will take in the LHS portion. So ROS, if this total is 90 degree, means this total is also 90 degree, isn't it children? Okay, then ROS on the left side, what it will become means 90 minus, okay, ROS is in this total 90 minus SOP. When coming to the RHS portion, this ROS is nothing but 90 plus ROS gives you SOQ, total angle, or else ROS we get by subtracting SOQ and ROQ. So I will take it in the two parts like this and proceed the sum. So by seeing in the left hand side, ROS is the subtraction from 90 degree of 90 degree minus POS. When coming to the left right hand side, SOQ minus ROQ is your SOR portion. So that is the same I have written here. ROS is equal to 90 degree minus SOP. ROS is equal to SOQ minus 90 degree. If I take this as 1 and 2, now I can add 1 and 2. LHS plus LHS, RHS plus RHS. Now both are same. So I will write it as 2 times of angle ROS. Am I right children? Now here what is there? 90 degree minus angle SOP plus angle SOQ, because I am doing addition, again minus 90 degree. Now plus 90 degree and minus 90 degree gets cancelled. Okay, what is remaining here? SOQ minus SOP. So 2 times of 2 I will take to the other side as a denominator. ROS will remain here. 2 I have taken to the denominator because in the LHS it is in the numerator. Now first I will write angle SOQ. Next I will write minus angle SOP. So this is what the solution they have asked in your question to prove. See here in the question they have asked ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. Same as SOQ and SOP. That is I have proved here. SOQ minus SOP. Okay. Is it clear children? But writing equations 1 and 2 is very important in this sum. So according to the sixth question, let us draw the figure as per the question step by step. First step is XYZ is 64 degree. Let me draw 64 degree XYZ. So look here children, I have drawn XYZ as 64 degree. In the next step they have asked to produce XY up to P. So now I have produced XY up to P, and in your next step they have asked you to draw YQ, an angular bisector in between PYZ. Angular bisector, as you all know, which divides the angle into two equal parts. So I have to draw another ray such that it bisects these two angles, and here I should mention it as Q. Okay, this is all according to your question what they have given children. Now what they are asking to find out, let us check. They are asking us to find out X, Y, Q and X, Y, Q means the angle from here to here, and then reflex of angle QYP, reflex of this part. Okay, shall we proceed the sum? So according to your question, they have given XYZ as 64 degree. I have written the same. As Q is the bisector, angle PYQ equal to QYZ. I have taken it as X. You have to find out reflex of angle PYQ and QYZ angle. Now, as I know, the sum of all these three angles is 180 degree linear pair. Angle PYQ plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX equal to 180 degree linear pair. Now I know these two angles are equal. Okay, I have taken it as x, so I can write it as 2x because x plus x plus remaining is z, y, x I know as 64 degrees, so I am going to replace it with 64 degrees. Now next it is equal to 180 degree. Take plus 64 to the other side, it becomes minus. 2 is in the multiplication, it becomes division. X equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. It is 116 degree by 2 because 180 minus 64 is 116. 2 is in a multiplication, it becomes division, and on cancellation I get x value as 58 degree. Now I got x value. X is nothing but angle PYQ and QYZ. So I can write here 58 degree and 58 degree, but they have asked the reflex of PYQ. So after writing this, I need to write reflex of angle PYQ is nothing but we have to subtract 58 degree from 360 degree. So 360 minus 58 degree, which equal to 302 degree. Next they have asked angle QYX, means total QYX is sum of these two angles, hence I should add these two angles. 58 degree plus 64 degree, this is 122 degree. Okay children, this is the sum here. No need to copy from the board children, I will give you the notes. Those who don't have textbook can copy the question from the notes here. So this is the fourth solution. You can take the screenshot and write in your notes. Now coming to the fifth question. You can take the screenshot of the question and answer. Copy in your notes. Here is your sixth question children. Okay, take the screenshot of the question if you don't have the textbook. So this is the solution. Take the screenshot of your sixth question and solution. Complete your CW. Thanks for watching my video children.